This 2024 inTech Flyer Pursue is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Nokomis, FL 34275 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Nokomis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new inTech is 13 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.